Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the weekly leaderboard in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books that are recommended to us. We can go and take a look at the posts and ideas by other people we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to use the weekly leaderboard. So basically guys, the weekly leaderboard in Deepstash is a gamification feature designed to encourage consistent microlearning by allowing users to compete with others based on their reading activity and streak. It serves as a tool to boost productivity and build a daily reading habit. So to be able to access it, as you can see right here at the top of the screen, is going to look like this. When you start reading something, it's going to enable you to continue reading, and every day you can get started reading something new, a new article, a new book that appears and so on. That's going to enable you to go ahead and get a rating on the leaderboard by reading either in a set amount of time or by getting a big enough streak and so on. You're going to go and be able to see that streak right here on your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, from where you can go and take a look at your stats. You're going to have your achievements, understand like habits for friends, trends and so on, and this is how to get started with accessing your leaderboard and getting the best results. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.